Open a new text document, type @echo space off, start a new line, type md, this is the make directory command, space, type a folder name, backslash, if any of your folders or subfolders have a space in the name, enclose it in quotation marks, that creates your first subfolder. To create a folder with multiple subfolders, type your folder name, backslash, the name of your subfolder, space, repeat your folder name, backslash, the name of your next subfolder. To create a subfolder within a subfolder, just extend these commands, the name of your folder, backslash, the name of your subfolder, backslash, the name of your next level subfolder. Click File and Save As. Just move this over slightly. Give your file a name, end it with the .bat extension for a batch file. From the Save As type drop-down list, choose All Files, click Save, close your Notepad document, double-click the batch file you've just created to run it. You can see we have our first folder with subdirectory, and we have our second folder with multiple subdirectories, including our next level subfolder in subfolder 3. Subscribe for more computer tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.